Sunday, October 9th. Choices are being made. This might be one of my last few weekends before winter hits that I choose to stay home and not go someplace. See this? That's etching. That is, I got my polisher out. Speaking of my polisher, I mean, these are just bugs just because my wife drives to work every day, whereas I stay home. So what I'm gonna do is, oh, my new lid for my bucket. I had the Yeti bucket for a while. I found these new lids. Just look on eBay. I'm sorry, not on eBay. They jack it up right there. They're charging like 50, 60, 70 bucks on eBay. Go on to Amazon. Yeti store has these lids. Granted, it's a $30 lid, but it's nice. That right there is O&R. My Adams bucket with the gamma lid. Now this is a couple days old, probably at least a week old. Absolute, PNS Absolute. It had been separating more, but now it looks like it's all just on my sponge. Normally you could see it suspended in the water a lot more. So I'm gonna dump this out today. Gotta switch the sponge here in a little bit. But this has been out in the garage for a week or two, and it's been getting cold at night. Anyway, choices. This. I've had the Diamond Body 36 kit since pretty much it came out, but I've been holding out. The Diamond Glass Prep is in my other video, as you can see by the link. But yeah, I'm polishing the car. I'm going to polish the entire glass, so I've had my 4-way test going on. It's been fine. The only one I'm worried about polishing is that right there is the Opta Glass by, or Opta whatever, from Optimum Polymer, because it puts a coating on the car that hardens the window a little bit. The rest of them I'm sure are going to polish out just fine. That's what that polish is about. I'm sure the fine glass polish, and then my polish. So I got the 6-inch pads out. I'm going to put it on my G9 for the windows, the G21 for the paint. So I have a pad somewhere. Oh, I gotta go back in the house. I don't have my glass pad. I'll get my glass pad, but my glass pads are 6-inch too, so I'm just gonna use my 6-inch plates. But no more updates. I got tired of the grillos in the back. I mean, it worked. It's still a coating and it's still there. It just doesn't look like I want it to look. And it's my car. I'll make it look how I want it to look. So I'm going all in on the Diamond Body 36. So I have to polish it off. I have to polish a fairly fresh, if not about a month or two old coat of Advanced Graphene. Don't know how I'm going to test it. I'm just going to polish it with where'd my other, oh. I'm going to use the microfiber pad and some Optimum Intensive Polish. I have their Optimum Compound, but I'm just going to go with Intensive Polish instead. That's what I'm going to use with the microfiber pad. Probably won't do too much, just enough to hopefully get it off-ish. Then I'm going to come back with the black pad over there and with the Adams polish. And then polish it. So that's the plan, just to get the coating removed. All the coating. And then I'm just going to do all Diamond Body 36, like I said, because it's getting close enough to, I don't want to, plug for my wife, because I don't want to have to do this in the middle of winter when I get fed up with it. So if I'm gonna get fed up with this one, I'll get fed up with this one and then change it next spring. But there you go. To make things easier, just pause it, take a screenshot. This is my wife's Mary Kay. If you need to order some Mary Kay for your wife, birthday, Christmas, be nice, order some Mary Kay. But yeah, I'm gonna polish it all up, hopefully get all the polish removed, Diamond Body 36 on there, and then diamond glass the entire front glass. Side glass, probably won't even touch. They've got some Adams Advanced Graphene Ceramic spray on them, so they're going to be good. So that's that. I may record a little bit of polishing, but yeah, I got to give this a bath first. That's what the O&R is about. Ooh. In case you're wondering, are you kidding me? You've only got one pad. Well, two pads. I got the black pad for the polishing and the one microfiber for the car. It's because of that. Pad washer, 4,000, whatever. I love it. I love it. So yeah, 4,000. This has O&R in it, standard dilution as well. Actually, I think I just went ahead and like put like an ounce or two. I forgot. I think I put about like an ounce, but not even a gallon of water. But I also put like an ounce of Power Clean. I think it's what it's called. I got so many products I get them mixed up. But the Optimum stuff. That really goes through the pads, so it really cleans the pads up. I'll show you a demonstration later, but this is why I only have one pad of each. That's all I'm going to need for my car. All right, so first rinseless is done. I used the rest of my Absolute. So right there, once again, you can see like little scratches. It's because I tried to, like, you know, stupid me, I tried to scrub it a little bit, and that is definitely etch. You can see it, that line right there. There we go. That's a better shot. It's like, I don't know. I mean, I had the, goodness gracious, focus. I had the, no, I didn't really see it. I had the Adams spray on the front, but it did that. And it just comes out. Like, even if I rinseless wash the car, it still leaks out of the lights. Right here, obviously, you can see. There's another one. This right there, though, is just because I just washed it. But then there's a couple other ones in here. So I'm going to polish the front pretty good. Get hopefully all them things out. Then I'm going to diamond prep the whole car. Gotta clean the windows better. Just a quickie. Alright, well, take it off 2x. This is the side that I'm worried about. I mean, it's going to work, but it's just so shiny. So shiny and still so protected. I'm hesitant to do it. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm not worried about this side, but I want the... What you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? You gonna jump at me? You gonna come at me, bro? Better not. He tiny. I'll leave it right. Front window clean. See if you even see like some of these little scratches and man, this phone brings it out. Little imperfect. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you can. And then there's water spots. I don't know if it's the coating that I had on there. And then, yeah, I'm gonna polish it. There's a couple other little these light scratches. I mean, I could be introducing those. I probably did introduce these little light scratches, but honestly, black cars. So hopefully this Diamond Body 36 protects it from scratches on the front, because man, that front sure does get beat up. And then obviously little bug etchings and stuff. Get tired of these bug etchings. There you go, you can see that one. I think I could probably clean that better and get it off, but that's what my polisher's for. Now, the top of the car. Ooh. I swear, I don't know if I want to touch it at all. It beads like crazy. Now up here up the front, you can see those water drops. They're all across the front. I don't know what I hadn't put on the front, but on the back here, there aren't any. And I don't know if I have two different toppers back here. Yeah, you can see those water spots. And so I'm gonna put the diamond glass up front and probably leave this whole back alone. And I swear I have Optimum or Optigloss. Is that right? No, Gloss Coat. That's it. Optimum Gloss Coat. God, their stuff is so hard to spit out. Optimum Gloss Coat back here. I'm not sure if I have HyperSeal on here, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just throw me some HyperSeal on here when I'm done. I'm still gonna polish it. I'm not gonna not polish this, and I'm polishing the rest of the car, so I won't compound it. I'll just lightly polish it with my polishing pad when I'm on the polishing step. But rest of the car, from paint here on down, other than the top, because I do have a couple little light scratches back here in the corner. Still don't know what them are from. Not for me. I think they got it when I had the car, but oh well. I'm gonna compound the car, all except for the top. Well, I shouldn't say compound. Well, it is compound, but I'm using intensive polish. Another reason I wanted to put this video. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's one. So this stuff really separates, and so that right there is a stain. I got two of them, and there's stainless steel nuts in there to get it mixed up. Little pro tip, even though I'm not a pro. Look at those stupid dots. Yeah, I'm getting all this out. Oh well, that's what that is. Pro tip from a non-pro: put stainless steel nuts in your Optimum spray polish, all of them. Makes it easier to get them mixed back up when you don't use them for a bit. That's that. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get focused on it. I can find it. Never didn't come out, by the way. That I can't get it. It's on there. Let me put my finger by it. Okay, right there. I gotta focus right there. It ain't gonna work. But that little line, they're staying. I went in, got me a fast correcting microfiber pad. I was already using microfiber, but I went ahead and got a fast correcting one versus like a polishing one, sort of. I've been using the intensive polish all around the car. On the front here, I actually went and got the fast correcting cream in a different pad and did the entire front. That little line ain't coming out. That little line ain't coming out. Not sure about the bug yet. Haven't wiped it off yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and polish over this polish because I don't really care. That's how I normally do it anyway. I missed one little section right here. Oh well. I don't think there's any scratches right here that we had to take out. I'm not gonna touch the top. I'm gonna keep the top as is. I've got some what's this stuff called? The diamond spray stuff, the diamond coat spray stuff. So I'm gonna probably just either put Optimum spray wax on here to keep the UV protected, or use that the new diamond spray. And I also forgot to do this. I'll just polish this anyway. I don't need to really compound this, I don't think. So I'll just polish this to my polishing pad. Well, that's it. Car polished. Bumper, I ain't worried about it. All right, so I'm just opening this up really quick just to get a quick glance at it. And because of my other diamond glass, I was like, I'm not gonna not look for a sprayer this time. I know exactly where that sprayer is. Live and learn. Look at that, first try. I'm not gonna say that it doesn't have a sprayer. Looks like it's about to give me the same size. All right, and it comes with one leveling towel. Nice little towel. I'll probably use it just because. More prep. I'm gonna use my Optimum paint prep because I'm changing my mind. I'm gonna use the Hyper polish instead of the Adams polish down there. So I'm gonna use the Optimum stuff just to get the car polished and cleaned up. Then I'll use the Optimum paint prep, and then I will use the Diamond Body prep. So it's gonna get prepped and prepped some more. It's not my imagination. Sorry, I don't mean to cuss. Holy crap, this car has shined up well. It's still there. Let me see if I can get it. Oh my goodness gracious. Look, yeah, right there. You can barely see it right on the light. I ain't worried about it. I see it. Nobody else probably will. But my goodness gracious. Look at that. Didn't touch the top. I touched this top to get all them little water beads out. I just kind of wipe this one off. I was gonna see what I can put on there. But holy crap. This turned out shiny. I think it's shinier now than it ever has been, even the first time I polished it. Well, time for the diamond coating. I still got to get the hood. I haven't touched the hood yet. I'm going to do the hood last. I'll do the front, and then I'll save the quarter panels just because of the sides. And then I'll do the hood. So I've still got to polish this one. So I just got to polish the hood and coat the window. Window I already know is going to be easy, but goodness gracious. This thing is shined up. Oh well, time to coat. The Diamond Body 36 has a large glove, or number 7 glove, and then a 7X glove, or an XL glove. So they got 2 gloves, but you got 2 sizes. Sweet. Polished, prepped with Optimum prep, prepped with glass prep. Body 36 is the next step. Then just do the glass. Glass is going to be easy peasy. I just got to prep the glass next, but I wanted to just get the paint first. Actually, I should get the glass first. I just got to lean over the paint. Oh man. Alright, maybe I'll do the glass first. Dang it, nah, I'm gonna do the paint. I'm already shaping it up. Goodness gracious, look at this. This is unreal, huh? I even asked my wife out. I said, take a look at the car. What do you think? She goes, it looks more piano black. I'm like, it does. I mean, granted, I just polished it, but still. I take really good care of the car. It's like, I don't know. Hopefully this stuff keeps it popping. Alright, done. But, see that? That comes up well. It's like hazing. I mean, I can wipe it off. I did have to go double over on that one because it had a huge spot on it from something. But if I wipe it off, it goes away. I'm going to put a little bit of paint prep on it, a little bit more goop. Wow, the camera picks it up and my eyeballs don't. Amazing. All right. I'll put a little bit more. Body 36, maybe. I don't think it's a high spot, but it could be. I'll put a little bit more on there. Like I said, I had a huge spot. I don't know what that caused it, so I had to buff it because I scratched it, so I ended up buffing the hood twice right there. All right, let me put a little bit more body prep on there, or body 36. And wipe it right off. I won't let it sit. Car's done. Won't be seen to the light of day until tomorrow. I got that little top spot. I just put some 36 over it really quick, like a lot farther along the hood. Then I just wiped it right off, so I think it was just a high spot caused by me. There we go. This is what I do to my rags when I'm done every day. I even got some, I get some of my pads in there. Even though my pads are clean, I'll still wash them once. There we go, rags to riches, end of the day. And the sun's out, just not at my house. It is across the street, but all right, it's gonna look good, obviously, and I get it. In the actual sun. Give it a couple days. Because I really can't see some of the spots that I may have missed, and my lights in the garage don't go low enough. But it's definitely a shiner now. But no more this and that on the car washing. Still get some hazing. Still seeing it even on the sides here, as well as the front. Don't know if it's going to be on both sides or just this side that's got the sunshine on it that I can see it. Have to wait and see what it looks like tomorrow. That's that. Down and dirty. Now we got a Diamond Body 36 videos to make. Diamond glass.